Hello, today I will be showing you how to blur your background in Capcut PC. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is drag your video to your timeline. Then, we need to make an overlay of the same video, so just right-click the video and select copy, then right-click above the video and select paste. Now select the overlay on your timeline. At the top right of your screen, under the cutout tab, scroll down to auto cutout. Click the checkbox and wait for it to process your video. Once it's done, we're going to slightly change the scale of the overlay video to 101% so that it looks better. Now we're going to add the blur effect to the main video. Just go to the Effects tab, and under the Video Effects drop-down menu, find the blur effect. Next, drag the blur effect on top of the main video. You can adjust the length of the blur effect by dragging the ends of the blur effect layer on the timeline. To adjust the intensity of the blur, go to the top right panel and tweak the settings. If you ever click off the video on the timeline and then click back on it, you might notice that the effect panel is no longer visible. To edit the blur effect again, simply right-click on the video and select Edit Effects, and that's it. Now, your video has a blurred background. Hopefully this tutorial helped. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.